Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs and Difu Town Committee upon Northeast Zone Angbong Swat City Anong E Kepajir. Center for Karbi Studies Lapan United States India Educational Foundation Pen Karbi Swallow Kipi Gethak Aputhak Krung Sai Kibi. Tet Athanda Atum Kaningri Assam Chief Minister Aphan Kepanong Pen Westkar Bengal Deputy Commissioner Aphan Pinpur Alok Kepajir. Kardom ada bertang peniri berta than bang thare harmony be non bertang ton pen arjik tha Northeast Zone Angbong Difu Town Aphan Kang Thirnai arong si pipu hoxi non hajong dil hialong Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs Pen Difu Town Committee Aphan Swat City Anong E Pajir. Surihini la Krisir Kep Aningkan Apartment Swas Survection Pen Northeast Zone Angbong Difu Town Aphan Kang Thirnai arong si pipu ingwaisi dil hialong Swat City Anong E Pajir. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs Pen Kepajir Laswa Nong E Difu Town Committee Amaipu Rakro Engineer Lapen Chokomar Atu Nong E Dengdun Kachini Ji Aphan Chithan Me Suri Pokep Lapen Lagasi Amunit Kidu Arong Supi Aphan Si Laso Swat City Anong E Panong Center for Karbi Studies Lapen United States India Educational Foundation Pen Karbi Swallow Kipir Gethak Aputhak Difu Jirsong Songalong Krung Sai Kepado Krung Sai Aputhak Diversity Data Roy Pensi Kachetong Sang Pimaraphan Than Pachini Karbi Anglo Arong Supi Asar Pimaraphan Kepanong Pen There Po Truck Lapen Truck CR Ni Difu Jirsong Songalong Fulbright Nehru Alumni Award Project 2018 Lapen 2019 Award Sai Pen Kipir Gethak Aputhak Krung Sai Aban Padu United States India Educational Foundation Lapen Center for Karbi Studies Atu Kachetodun Pen Kepado Krung Sai Aputhak Diversity Data Roy Pensi Kachetong Sati Maraphan Than Pachini Krung Sai Swallow Phan Kaching Thula Pen Tumo Hai Hui Kiri Kita Lipjia Phanta Krung Sai Along Kaching Vai Aklong Palika.
This seminar that we both planned, CKS and we planned it, and this was funded by USIP and CKS together. This was a Fulbright Nehru Alumni Award. I am a Fulbrighter. I have been on the Fulbright Fellowship twice in the United States. So if you are on the United States Fulbright Fellowship and you come back, Fulbright facilitates a Fulbright Nehru Award. And it helps you to do a seminar in your research area in a place that you want to do. So I could have done it in Calcutta, but then if I did it in Calcutta, I could not have involved as many Karbi women and men in the program. So I wanted to do it in Difu. And Fulbright was very kind and it encouraged us, Yusuf and Fulbright.
Apar iltum langtum si adaga chok si lake nun mesen labang soban iltum etang si cipain pune apene Center for Karbi Studies ke ason tin kleme dipu bange dekhe seta kemang la son iltum ta nona marabang ke lapuan da punulang iltum Center for Karbi Studies long dulo jogla blo nang tum amol puta punulang seta la jongsi obe kimia tu tok thek ketar lek thek ani ke ha la penge bines on claim pula bang so ma tha tu iltum je tong bobe lage sia hong jaya son la so bang ke iltum Center for Karbi Studies and benda kadure tu na la penge non ke tham lo tengala no iltum atwar paklang lo pula de mesan atwar paklang lo pula anche rap ni tu man tu so ni
Tet Athanbang Atum There Po Truck CR Ni Assam Chief Minister Aphan Panong Si Westkar Bengal Deputy Commissioner Aphan Epak Pinpur Alok Pajir Pusi Nilitum Apherangki Katne Salang Birta Nang Pale Westkar Bengal Along Sarva Siksa Abhiyan Ke Parlo Tet Athanbang Atum Akisung Prabjin Pen Ke Jogji Aphan Pura There Po Truck CR Ni Tet Athanbang Atum Chepeng Si Westkar Bengal Deputy Commissioner Arideng Epak Pinpur Alok Pajir Assam Chief Minister Aphan Ke Panong Pen Deputy Commissioner Aphan Ke Pajir Alo Along Prabjin Pen Tet Athanbang Akimang Papleng nang ji pusi Sorkar Aphan Kihang Padu Tera Thangbang Anghoi Pathir nang ji Grade Pay Pakam nang ji 7 Pay Commission Bengalong Tangka Kachuram Award Sai Long nang ji Puta Pinpur Alu Along Tera Thangbang Atum Pacheta Non Malong Sopohan Bertamo Ton Ponik Sena
This is the electronic voting machine, the EVM, which the Election Commission uses for conduct of elections to the state assemblies and the parliament in the country. EVM basically consists of two parts. This is the control unit, the CU, and this is the ballot unit, this is the BU. Now, what happens is the ballot unit is kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment, so that we have secrecy of vote here in the country. So along with this, along with the EVM, now we have the VVPAT, that is the voter verifiable paper audit trail, which is a new entrant on the election framework. Now basically the ballot unit contains the ballot paper, which has the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate. Now in this case, it's a dummy ballot paper which is used only for training and awareness purposes. As you can see, AAA, BBC, and also the dummy symbols are there. Next to the ballot, the candidate's name is a button. Now the easiest part of the EVM is that the voter has to just press the blue button in front of the candidate of his choice, and the vote gets recorded. Now this control unit is at the polling station, or these are kept together here just for demonstration purpose, but in the polling station this control unit is kept with the presiding officer, and these two units are kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment, so that whenever the voter casts his vote, he can cast it in absolute secrecy and nobody sees what is happening. Now what happens is, once the machines are set in the polling station, in the beginning we do a mock poll, as you already know, in the presence of the polling agents. So 50 votes are cast in the machine, and after that the votes are counted through the control unit, and also the slips are taken out from the VVPAT and they are tallied, just to make sure and ensure all the participants that the machine is functioning absolutely accurately and there is nothing amiss here. Now how the vote is released, basically the presiding officer, what he does is he just has to press the ballot button here. Now the minute he presses the ballot button, a red light glows on the control unit, which shows that the machine is now in readiness. The minute the red light glows here, there is a green light, the ready light, which is there on the ballot unit. This is the ready light. This light shows that now this ballot unit can accept the signal for the particular vote to be cast. Now the voter, what he has to do is, suppose he chooses candidate number 4. He just presses this blue button. The minute he presses this, a red light glows here, and along with it simultaneously we have the slip which gets printed in the VVPAT, and it is visible through this transparent window for 7 seconds, and simultaneously there is this beep sound which says that the vote has been recorded successfully in the control unit, and the slip falls into the ballot slips compartment here, which on the poll day is completely sealed and not accessible to anybody.
Okay.
So this is the process in which a vote is cast.
Yeah.
So basically what the VVPAT does is it allows the voter to verify the vote that he has cast in the favor of the candidate of his choice.
Yeah.
Now I'll take out the slip and show you how the slip looks like. This was the slip which was just printed. So as you can see, it has the name, the serial number and the symbol. So these slips can be counted to verify the electronic result which is stored here, but that can be done under certain circumstances only. So one of those circumstances is that in case somebody, the candidate or his agent, requests the returning officer under section 56T for a recount, the commission has also mandated a mandatory verification of one polling station for every constituency to do a verification of the slip count with the electronic count which is there in the CU. Plus, of course, if somebody goes in the election petition, so on the orders of the Honorable Court, the slips can always be taken out and the count verified with the controller. So this is basically the architecture of the EVMs and the VVPATs here.
And this entire setup is not possible anywhere, because a lot of time allegations are made that you can get it from anywhere, and this is hacked, this can be hacked and this can be tampered with.
The EVMs which are used by the commission are completely standalone, non-networked, non-tamperable, robust and integrity, machines with integrity and credibility. There are two pillars on which this entire framework stands. One is the technological safeguards which are there in the design and technological features of the CU, BU and the VVPATs. The other is the detailed administrative protocols, security framework and procedural guidelines that we have installed around the EVM ecosystem, which prevents any unauthorized access to these machines by any unauthorized person. So these machines remain under the control and custody of the election officials at all times. So it's impossible to take these machines, do any kind of mischief and bring them back into the EVM ecosystem. That's just not possible.
Right.
Uff, ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Pipot lo nangina chusir ham tamle ingisu.
Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok taun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepat keng cita.
Madhari, lo nalok Claire Beauty Parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma, konat lo leke.
Di foi ti arlo Iron Bridge adong rong supia long ke chengsi sopinso la pensoar lo tu kapamada dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo, ke chengsi sopinso la pensoar lo phat kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off. Hey hui long ponikji. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongparpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong kapadar ipin ang humrig nun.
Aturkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Aturkimi Society.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang Tharwe alam, Theso alam, Kecho ajam tu, Tharmit aduk, Thelua kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor pen chenglok ong dung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dhinamul Pibuthat Birtalong Wangthulum. Karbi Anglong District Mahila Samiti pen Niplian Sertalin Karcho Kapajut Amai Kibijia Phan Therepo Trok Ser ni pen Bangphu Amen Kachetha Pangcheng si Ajai Mek Pangcheng Pon Karbi Anglong District Mahila Samiti pen Therepo Trok Ser ni pen Therepo Kep Arni an Sorlo Asong Sertalin Ketalon Kepajut Ajai Mek Kepachun Jia Phan Sangpi Maratu Kesi Kedang Claim Pro Claim Jam Asong si Theglong Therepo Trok Ser ni Karbi Anglong District Mahila Samiti Asa Hemalong Bangphu Kedo Ahamren Samiti Achunba Kiran Kuritasi Milur Kailo There Punar Kep Arni Song Mate Samiti Alama Kangthur Pen Kepang Cheng Ji Sertalin Kepajut Ajamek Along Hem Maripi Angbo Ason Ason Kepatu Krung Saya Huita Doji Krung Saya Long Pini Hampang Along Suarlo Kaching Thur Aputhak Krung Saita Padoji Pota Samiti Pen Pachini West Karbi Anglong La Penogong Hoy Borponi Reserve Forest Atowar Along Non Malong Baithalang So Hawar Arapsi Ignara Phan Thesere La Pen Lothe Arong Pachosi Lana Bom Lupusi Baithalang So Penilitum Opherangke Jason hi Kadnisolong Birta Nangpale West Karbi Anglong La Penogong District Ahoy Borpani Forest Reserve Atowar Along Ejon Habit Ignar Ar Ia Keng Along Ameki Dokok Ajok Towar Pen Ignamajo Damunidet Asonsi Teglong Towar Pielong Ignar Kepangji Dom Tan Anta Ingnam Raikom Atum Sekelang Japhan Du Clip Langsi Baithalang So Hawar Aratu Ignar Apran Kepajok Japhan Thesere La Pen Lothe Arongsi An Thonbom Lopusi Cardinals Perangke Aphan Ronga Sorpen Pachini
এই সম্পৰ্কে আমাৰ ছাৰ ৰেঞ্জাৰ ছাৰলৈ জনোৱা হৈছে ছাৰে ডিএফও ছাৰৰ লগতো তেনেকৈ যোগাযোগ চলাই আছে যেহেতু দূৰণি বা কাজিৰঙা বা চিৰিয়াখানাৰ পৰা ডাক্তৰ আনিবলগীয়া এটা ব্যৱস্থা তেখেতসকলে সেই ঊৰ্ধ্বতম কৰ্তৃপক্ষৰ লগত যোগাযোগ কৰি ব্যৱস্থা ল'বৰ কাৰণে চেষ্টা চলাই আছে মানে কালি যিটো 80% মানে হেৰি হৈ আছিলে বুকাত শুই আছিলে লুতুৰি পুতুৰি হৈ তাৰপিছতে ইতিমধ্যে আহি পেলাই ৰাতিটো আমাৰ ওচৰতে জংঘলেডৰাত থাকিল পানী ঘুলি এটাত ইতিমধ্যে হাতীটো বহুতখিনি আজি উন্নত দেখিছোঁ আমি এতিয়া অলপ আগত আপোনালোকে দেখিলে আমাকো খেদি আহিছে হাতীটোৱে গতিকে এই ক্ষেত্ৰত ছাৰকো জনাই আছোঁ টাইম সময়ে ডক্টৰ অহা কথাটো ছাৰে মানে ৰাতিপুৱা জনালে যে ডাক্তৰৰ লগত যোগাযোগ ইতিমধ্যে হৈছে আপুনি ইনফৰ্মেণ্টৰ ওপৰত বেছ কৰি পেলাই মোক জনাব সেই ধৰণে মই ব্যৱস্থা ল'ম বৰ্তমানলৈকে অহা নাই
Ada berita mengalami kang ton penilai demi thang me kurang tu.